Hello YouTubers. In this video I thought I would cover an issue I see popping up on Camaro owner YouTube channels where their top 10 gripe, dislikes, or hates about the car is, where do I put my cell phone? And I get it. When the Camaro engineers devised this diabolical location, that's an afterthought. That's not a serious contender for a place to put your phone because it's in an awkward location with an awkward reach. To me, that's for passengers in the back seat if I ever have any. So moving forward, what do we come up with for a place to mount it so that it works for us? And for me, I came up with that location. So that works well. It's out of the way. Nobody's going to hit it with their knees. Nobody ever has. Getting in and out of the car, that right there works well. So all I did was buy this guy here on Amazon. I think it was 18 bucks or something like that, and it's a MagSafe MagSafe mount. I'll put the link to it in the video below. I think it was 18 bucks. All I did was put a little alcohol on the surface and stuck that bad boy down, and it's not going anywhere. I don't care how hard you brake, how hard you take off, how hard you drive, left, rights, it doesn't matter. That bad boy ain't going nowhere. The other option you have is to do one of these X.Coastie mounts. Same thing, just I had it mounted over there. When I didn't have an iPhone with a MagSafe case, I mounted this over there, and it comes with this little black piece of metal that sits in your case, and it works like a champ. I think I bought this thing here for $13 at Walmart. Again, I'll put a link to it below. But Camaro owners, this is where you need to be putting your phone. It's out of your way. It's in your line of sight with all your other screens. It's for those of us with non-AirPlay or CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, this is where it mounts. Gets out of everybody's way. I think it's a great place. So you should consider that. Again, you can mount it wherever you want, but for those of you with visibility problems, that's not in your way. So, but hopefully you consider that, YouTubers, Camaro owners or potential Camaro owners. This is a good spot, cheap enough, under 20 bucks. Let it fly. Anyway, if you like the video, like the video.